What's up, guys? My name is Cameron and welcome to my YouTube channel. You might be wondering even where I'm at right now. I'm at a castle right over there is the sea, and right over there, you can't see it behind the clouds, there's a volcano called Mount Etna. That was probably not the best way to show you, so let me do something different. I hate this thing, dude. Let's try that again, but with more of an open space for this thing to connect. But yeah, I'm here at this castle, trying to find a private place to shoot, but still in public. It's kind of hard, especially when you're new to YouTube. It's really awkward carrying around a big ass camera and everyone staring at you. But yeah, this is weird, very awkward. I'm starting a YouTube channel though, because one of my goals for 2020 is to be more productive, and right now, 2019, I waste a lot of time just scrolling social media and laying in bed, being a bum. I've also spent a lot of money on camera gear, and I haven't really put it to use the way that I should be. I've done car shoots, couple shoots, family shoots, and just haven't really been using it as much. I don't really know what this channel is going to consist of, more so just to document, whether it's to document my life, or my progress with my cars, or even just stories or shit that might happen while I'm traveling. Those memories are unforgettable, but it's also cool to share with other people when I'm not there to tell the story in person. You guys hear that? There's a fucking dying cat. But yeah, that was a scary flight. I lost connection to the drone twice, but should be alright. Look at that kitty. Oh. This is cool. I'm exploring my little city that I never ever actually explore. Got my drone back. Somewhere that way. This is the intro to my YouTube channel, I guess. And I really want to document what the fuck I'm doing here in Europe and all the memories I've been making. But if you're curious about my life, or you just want to see my car progress, or all my travels, or whatever, I guess just subscribe. As if you want to, I don't care. This is also my car, and sometimes I make car videos or take car pictures. Come on.
meds, huh?
Yeah, they helped me to, think. Okay, time for an eyes open nap.
God, look what those pills are doing to you. Putting you on that stuff was a huge mistake.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like cars, or you like traveling, or you're just interested in my life, I guess you can subscribe, or like, or dislike, or comment or not comment. Peace.